04 type 2-bedroom apartment, huge spacious unit. It's 2-bedroom with maid's room and laundry room. You can have a look. This is the entrance door. We'll go straight. On the left side here we have spacious, huge, completely bright European style open kitchen, place for fridge. This place is for dishwasher. Here you have the kitchen, the sink area, the washing area, place for cooking range. Here you have extra cabinets. Then I will show you first the laundry room, good size for your washing machine and your washer and dryer. It's good size. Then we will go towards the maid's room. It's completely separate on one side for complete privacy of your apartment. It's good size. Here is the washroom for maids with standing shower. You can see the other side of the maid's room. Now we will go towards the living hall plus dining area. It's completely huge, big size. You can make here your dining area, your living area, your sitting area, and here you can put your media wall. You can see from here the view of your living hall. It's good, big size, completely bright with very nice view. Abu Dhabi Island, complete view of Abu Dhabi Island. It's very high floor. You can have a look on the apartment. You have complete sea view, complete Abu Dhabi Island view. Especially at night, the view is amazing. We'll go towards the bedroom areas. You can look here. Here is your common washroom with standing shower, glass door. We'll go to the bedroom. It's spacious, big, huge size bedroom with lot of storage space, cabinets, 5-door cabinets. That is the good thing for the Gates Tower, that the cabinets are very spacious, bigger in size. You can have a look on the view. You have the complete view of Abu Dhabi Island, complete view of Abu Dhabi Island, including Hudirat Island, Abu Dhabi main island, Al Maraya Island, main sea of Abu Dhabi, Al Marina Mall side. You can have a look. You can see at the Hat Towers, Nation Towers, Hudirat Island Bridge, everything. You can have a look on the view. Very nice, big size apartment, spacious, completely bright with sunlight. Here is the master bedroom. Here you have big, huge size master bathroom with standing shower and your bathtub also. Apartment just need cleaning. Here you can have a look on your master bedroom. We will show you the nice, amazing view also. You can have a look on the cabinets. It's 3-door, double cabinets, huge size. You can have a look on the view. Hudirat Island, Abu Dhabi Island, Marina Mall side, and sea view, Al Maraya Island. Complete panoramic view you have. Very nice 2-bedroom plus maids with laundry room. Gates Tower.